Last night, you lived an entire story. You flew, you ran, maybe you met someone impossible. Your mind painted whole worlds in vivid color. But this morning? Almost all of it is gone. Why does something so powerful disappear so fast? Here is something strange. You spend about 6 years of your entire life dreaming. That's thousands of adventures. Yet you remember almost none of them. It's like watching thousands of movies and forgetting each one the moment it ends. What is your brain hiding from you? To understand this, we need to look inside sleep itself. Sleep isn't one steady thing. It moves in cycles, like waves in the ocean. Some waves are deep and quiet. Others are wild and electric. And it's in those electric waves that your dreams come alive. The most vivid dreams happen during REM sleep. REM means rapid eye movement. Behind your closed eyelids, your eyes dart around like you're watching something real. Your brain lights up almost as much as when you're awake. But one crucial part stays surprisingly quiet. That quiet part is your memory factory. Deep inside your brain sits a small region called the hippocampus. It's the place that turns experiences into lasting memories. During dreams, it slows way down. So your adventures are happening, but nobody is writing them into your storybook. Think of your memory like a video recorder. When you're awake, the record button is firmly pressed. Every moment gets saved. But during REM sleep, that button barely works. The camera is on, the action is rolling, yet almost nothing is being stored to the tape. There's a chemical reason too. Your brain runs on messengers called neurotransmitters. One of them, norepinephrine, helps you form memories. When you're awake, it flows freely. But during REM sleep, its levels crash almost to zero. Without it, your dreams slip through your fingers. So your dreaming brain is like a brilliant artist working in the dark. It creates masterpiece after masterpiece. But it forgets to bring paper. The moment the art is finished, it dissolves into the air. Beautiful, powerful, and completely gone. But wait. If your memory is offline, how do you ever remember any dream at all? The secret is waking up. Dreams that survive are usually the ones you woke up during, or right after. Catch a dream in the act, and you just might keep it. This is why the last dream before your alarm feels so clear. You woke up while it was still playing. Your memory recorder switched on just in time. Dreams from earlier in the night, hours ago, are almost always lost forever. Timing is everything. Here's a wild fact. There's a rule scientists call the 10-minute rule. If you don't recall a dream within about 10 minutes of waking, you'll probably forget 90% of it. Wait a little longer, and almost all of it evaporates. Your dreams have an expiry timer. Now think about your mornings. You wake up and immediately grab your phone. You think about coffee, work, the day ahead. That flood of new information rushes in. And it washes your fragile dream away, like a wave erasing footprints in the sand. Psychologists call this interference. New memories crowd out weak ones. A dream memory is incredibly fragile, like wet paint. The instant you start your day, you smear it. This is why the calmer you stay when you wake, the more dream you keep. There's another twist. Dreams don't follow the rules of the waking world. You jump between places. Faces melt into other faces. Logic breaks. Your brain files memories by connecting them to what makes sense. But dreams make no sense, so there's nothing to anchor them to. Imagine trying to file a document that keeps changing shape. 1 second it's a letter, the next a photo, then a song. Your brain's filing system gives up. It can't store what it can't categorize. So the dream is left unfiled, and it drifts away. Some scientists believe forgetting dreams is actually a feature, not a bug. Your brain is cleaning house. All night it sorts what matters and dumps what doesn't. Dreams might be part of that mental garbage collection. And you're not supposed to keep the trash. There's even a bold theory from famous scientists. They suggested we dream in order to forget. During REM sleep, your brain may be deleting useless connections. Dreams could be the flickering leftovers of that deletion. Forgetting them might be the whole point. Think about it. If you remembered every single dream, your mind would be flooded. Real memories and dream memories would tangle together. You might confuse what actually happened with what you only imagined. Forgetting keeps your reality clean and clear. But not everyone forgets equally. Some people remember dreams almost every night. Others go years without recalling a single one. Scientists studied their brains and found something fascinating. The difference isn't magic. It's in how their brains behave while they sleep and wake. High dream recallers tend to wake up more often during the night. Just briefly, just for a moment. Each tiny awakening gives their brain a chance to save the dream. Their memory recorder flickers on more often. More awakenings means more dreams remembered. Their brains are also more reactive to sounds and names, even while asleep. One region, the temporoparietal junction, stays a little more active. It's like keeping one ear on the door. That extra alertness helps them capture the dreams that others simply sleep straight through. Your age matters too. Children and young adults often remember dreams vividly. As we get older, dream recall tends to fade. Our sleep changes, we get less REM, and life gets busier. The dreams are probably still there. We're just less likely to catch them. Stress plays a role as well. When your mind is racing, your sleep gets fragmented. Sometimes you'll remember intense, emotional dreams, even nightmares. Strong feelings act like glue for memory. A dream drenched in emotion is far more likely to stick around till morning. That's the emotion secret. Your brain prioritizes what feels important. A boring dream fades instantly. But a terrifying or thrilling one grabs your attention. The amygdala, your emotional alarm, lights up and tags the memory. Feeling makes the dream worth keeping. Here's a question that might blow your mind. If you don't remember a dream, did it really happen? You experienced it fully at the time. It felt completely real. But with no memory, it left no trace. It exists only in a moment that no longer exists. Now let's talk about lucid dreams. Sometimes you realize you're dreaming while it's happening. Suddenly you can control the story. These dreams are often remembered better. Because awareness itself wakes up your memory. You become the director and the audience at once. So can you train yourself to remember more dreams? Yes. And it's simpler than you think. The most powerful trick costs nothing. Just tell yourself, before you sleep, that you want to remember your dreams. Your intention primes your brain to pay attention. The second trick is a dream journal. Keep a notebook by your bed. The moment you wake, before moving, write down anything you remember. Even a single word. Do this daily, and something amazing happens. Your recall grows stronger week by week. Why does writing work so well? Because it forces your sleepy memory to grab the dream before interference erases it. You're pressing the record button manually. Over time, your brain learns that dreams matter to you. And it starts saving them automatically. There's another gentle trick. When you wake, stay perfectly still. Don't open your eyes right away. Don't move a muscle. Let the dream replay in your mind first. Movement and light flood your brain with the present, and the dream slips away. Waking up naturally helps too. A blaring alarm yanks you out of sleep so fast that dreams shatter. Waking slowly, on your own, gives your brain time to hold on. That's why weekend mornings often bring the richest, most detailed dreams. But let's step back and ask the bigger question. Why do we even dream at all? Scientists still argue about this. But most agree dreams aren't random noise. They may be your brain rehearsing, processing, and making sense of your life while you sleep. One idea is that dreams help you practice for danger. In dreams, you often face threats, chases, and fears. Your brain runs safe simulations. It's like a flight simulator for real life. You train your responses while your body rests safely in bed. Another idea is emotional healing. During REM sleep, your brain processes the day's feelings without the stress chemicals present. It's like therapy while you sleep. Painful moments get softened and filed away. You wake up feeling a little lighter, even if you forgot why. Dreams may also fuel creativity. Your sleeping brain connects ideas that your waking mind keeps apart. Artists, scientists, and inventors have found breakthroughs in dreams. Melodies, discoveries, whole stories. When logic switches off, imagination runs wild and free. So maybe forgetting the dream doesn't erase its work. The dream still did its job. It sorted your emotions. It practiced your fears. It sparked ideas deep inside you. The memory fades, but the benefit stays. You are shaped by dreams you'll never recall. Think of a dream like a candle in the dark. It burns brightly while it lives. It gives light and warmth to your sleeping mind. Then it flickers out by morning. But the warmth it gave you doesn't vanish. It lingers, quietly, inside you. Here's something eerie and beautiful. Sometimes a dream comes back to you hours later. A smell, a song, a place triggers it. Suddenly the whole dream floods back. It was never truly gone. It was hiding, waiting for the right key to unlock it. This tells us the memory may still exist, buried deep. It's not fully erased. It's just unreachable, locked behind the strange logic of sleep. Your mind is a vast ocean. Dreams sink to the bottom. And sometimes, one floats back to the surface. So forgetting your dreams isn't a flaw in your brain. It's a delicate balance. Your mind keeps what you need and releases what you don't. It protects the difference between what's real and what's imagined. Forgetting is how you stay grounded in your own life. And yet, there's a kind of magic in it too. Every night you become a storyteller with no audience. You create worlds that no one will ever see, not even you. Pure imagination, made just for the moment, then let go. Millions of tiny masterpieces, released into the dark. So tonight, when you close your eyes, remember this. A whole universe is about to unfold inside your head. You'll travel, feel, and live. And by morning, most of it will be gone. But that's okay. The forgetting is part of the gift. Here's your final thought. You spend a third of your life asleep, and much of that dreaming. That's a hidden lifetime you'll never fully remember. A secret world running quietly beneath your own. You are living two lives, and only one of them do you get to keep. So maybe the real question isn't why we forget our dreams. Maybe it's this. What incredible things is your mind creating every single night, that you will never, ever know? A hidden artist, working in the dark, just for the joy of it. Tonight, try one thing. Before you sleep, whisper to yourself that you want to remember. Keep a notebook close. And when you wake, stay still, and listen. You might just catch a glimpse of the secret world you visit every night. Sweet dreams.